If you're looking for spacious, secluded home in a hilly position with a small olive grove just 10 kilometers from the North Sicilian coast, this might be the perfect property for you. This 4-bedroom, 250 square metre house is on the market for €120,000, which works out to be just €480 per square metre. According to the realtor, the upper floor will need to be finished and configured to the new buyer's taste and needs. But even with this, it's still excellent value. This could make an excellent second home or wonderful holiday retreat to enjoy family and friends. The 5,400 square metres of surrounding land, which is about 1 1/3 acres or half a hectare, is well kept and has been planted with olive trees. It's just 10 kilometres to the nearest town of Santo Stefano, di Camastra, where you'll find supermarkets, restaurants, cafes, beaches and a train station. Palermo and Messina are a little over an hour away, and Cefalù is only about 30 minutes by car or train. Please see the video notes below for a link to the original listing and Realtor's contact information, as well as how to get more homes like this in your inbox every week.